Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make mirror effect in Sculpt Mode in Blender. So if you would like to do it, first we need to create a new object. So I go to Add, then I go to Mesh, and I select here Icosphere. Then we need to select our object and change mode from Object Mode to Sculpt Mode. Now we need to go to Tool, Active Tool and Workspace Settings, and we need to scroll down and find here something like Symmetry. Then we need to select one from available mirror effects, so I select here X. Then I rotate the view by clicking on Y, and now you can make a mirror effect. You can check here on the blue points where the effect will be applied. So for example, I click somewhere here, here, here and here, and like you see, mirror effect has been successfully created here. Maybe I will click here too to show you how it works, yeah? So like you see, it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.